Bienvenidos aquí al canal de Sasa Moto. Hopefully all you guys are doing amazing and doing great and doing better than I am, because it has been an incredible, not in a good way, week for me. As you guys saw, my last post, that was unexpected, also very hard to record. It's like I said, these things are not easy. I mean, if you haven't seen in my previous video, I'm going to throw the link down in the description so you guys can click on it and watch it. Shout out to Florida Motor Riders. They have been setting up a GoFundMe, setting up everything. We're gonna go to a location apparently tonight. I wasn't sure if I was gonna ride or not. I just said, screw it, let me do this for Jen. Yeah, God rest her soul. Anyway, fast forward, I figured let me do a little bit of vlogging, since I need to talk myself into more of a positive vibe, because I know that's what Jen would want us to be happy. So let's start off the day with a cold start before I head to work. I know I'm probably gonna have to gas her up, because I didn't gas her up when I came back the last ride. Oh man, she sounds good every time. So yeah, ladies and gentlemen, it's been a roller coaster of emotions. It's not been easy. We're all dealing with it. I mean, comment below if you guys have gone through similar situations. Loss of a good friend, tragedy, you stopped riding, you know, comment below what happened, what was going on through your mind, because I know a lot of people, they completely sell the bike and stop riding. It's understandable, you know, I understand that completely, 100%. I try to be as careful as I can with these bikes, because I really don't want my parents to get that phone call, you know what I'm saying? It's tough enough. So I don't know where my headspace is at. My headspace is all over the place. Selling the house, you know, it's been a struggle. I've been cooped up in the house for the past 2 days, trying to gather myself together. It's been tough, man. This is not easy. It's not easy at all. I wasn't gonna go tonight, but I don't know. Let's see, because I get out of work so late. But I figured, you know what, a nice ride to work would be something ideal, something I would need. So that's where my head is at currently. We're gonna go and gas up, because I'm sure she is pretty empty. Do I have the gas gauge on? I do have enough. I could make it straight there. So much going on. I mean, it's stressful. It's very stressful. There's too much going on. Oh, this already feels good. Most of you, if not, I wouldn't even say most of you. I'd say all of you has experienced some sort of loss in your lifetime. And if you haven't yet, you will. That's part of life, unfortunately. It's inevitable. The important key thing to take away on this is, what I'm trying to say here is, enjoy life as much as you can, because you're never promised tomorrow. If there are things that you want to do that you haven't done and you're able to do them, do it. Don't think about it, just do it. I've seen on YouTube channels that they just completely, not that I'm saying to do this, because again, not everybody's in the same situation or the same boat, but I've seen people get up, pack their stuff, and just go, you know, just pack their stuff, quit their job, and just up and go. I don't know how they do it. I don't know how they survive. Like, I don't know if they have like millions stashed away in the bank, or how does that work, because I have no idea. Like, how do you just up and go? I give kudos to people like that, because I'm too scared that, you know, I guess I'm too attached to bills. This is what society wants us to do, get ourselves into a financial struggle or a financial tie down, and we think about, you know, our credit scores, and we think about all these little things, you know. So I give kudos to people who just walk away and like, screw this, screw the house, give it up, screw the car, screw everything that I owe, and just walk away from it all and move to an entirely different country and just live their lives. That's insane. That is something that I don't know if I'll be able to do, like, because I know how I am. I love stuff. I love, you know, the motorcycles, the cars, you know, yeah, that's the kind of scene that I'm into. Once again, I want to give you guys thanks. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you all. The people who have been here since day one, the folks that are just coming in, you guys have been killing it with that like button, commenting below, sending condolences to the family and myself, and I'm just gonna gas up, screw it. It's good to know that there's a lot of good people out there. I have very good intentions. In the motorcycle world, it really is like that. Like, we are a tight family. So yeah, ladies and gentlemen, this is where I'm at in my headspace. It's feels good to be on the bike, just to relieve any stress, anxiety, because right now my anxiety is at 1000%. I woke up this morning that way, and I was like, oh my gosh, what is happening? Why am I feeling the way I'm feeling? So that is where I'm at currently with my headspace. I don't know, I wanted to keep a short video. I wanted to upload something for this weekend. I usually upload on Saturdays, and that upload was like unexpected. You know, it was something that I just came up with quickly in memory of Jen, and I just compiled a bunch of photos from the crew and just put them together. There's a lot of photos that I forgot to put up, but everyone seemed to have liked it. I was the only one that was sitting there like, I don't know if I'm 100% on this, but that's just me. I always criticize myself very hard. You know, I don't want this to be a super depressing video. I just wanted to give you guys my insight on my life right now. It's currently a hot mess. I feel like it's currently a hot mess. My life is all over the place. Selling a house, trying to buy a house, moving, you know, looking to put stuff in storage units, and just there's a lot more in the back end that I don't want to talk about in this video. Maybe in the future I will. I'm just gonna leave it out there, and pretty soon I'm gonna be hitting up the turnpike. So I'm gonna be cutting the video because you guys won't be able to hear me on all the wind with all the wind noise. But thank you so much, my South Side Moto family. You guys have been incredible all the way through and through. Been there, support me. All the folks that have been here from jump, and the folks that are joining in. You guys have been blessing me and telling me that things will be okay. Sending prayers for Jen. Supporting my channel 100%. You know, I'm not monetized in any way, shape, or form, but just the love that I feel in this channel, it's great. You know, I don't even feel like this is a channel. I feel like this is more like a family support. That's why I call you guys my South Side Moto family. I don't call it, you know, anything else, because to me, anyone who's in my life, even from afar or from a close, you guys are family. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Stay safe out there, guys. Peace.